Okay, so we're gonna take another look at area of a square and rectangles.
You see this model of a purple wall? It's a wall in the cafeteria. It is 4 meters high and 10 meters wide. The third grade teacher wants to change the color of the wall to blue. We need to know the area of the wall to know how much paint we need. Let's find out what the area is. Let's count the number of unit squares that make up the wall. That's a lot of squares, but I counted 40 of them. So the area of the wall is 40 square meters. A faster way would be to count the number of rows and multiply by the number of squares in each row. There are 10 squares in each row and 4 rows. So 10 times 4 equals 40. See how that works? So, if the area of the wall is 40 square meters, we'll need enough blue paint to cover those 40 square meters. I'm looking forward to seeing the new wall color. It's going to be so cool!